Hello students, today in this video I am not going to teach you anything, but I am here to discuss with you the new syllabus of class 10th. First we will discuss of class of mathematics and then we will discuss for science. Uh, Before starting this video, I would like you to carry your textbook with you and a pencil so that you can tick all the portion that is removed and we can see it. Though I am 2 to 3 days late for this video, but I had my own reasons. In this video, I will be discussing for class 10th, and for one more video I will make, and in that video I will be discussing for class 9th. So, if we start with mathematics, okay, the deleted portion that I will make you tick down. And if we start with the first chapter, then Euclid division lemma is excluded from the syllabus. The heart of the chapter is excluded. So you can take exercise 1.1 completely. Okay. But in exercise 1.1, as question number 3 is there, in question number 3, if you have completed this chapter, then you must be knowing that in question number 3, you have to simply find HCF. So finding HCF can be done by prime factorization also. So keep that question alive. Moving on to 1.2, again in 1.2 Euclid division lemma is not there, so you can go through all the questions, and HCF LCM is only there, and prime factorization. So 1.2 is okay, 1.3 is okay, again no problem with it, because you need to prove root 5 is irrational, root 2, root 3 is irrational, and we are fine with exercise 1.4 also. So in chapter number 1, only exercise 1.1 can be removed. In chapter number 2, statement and simple problems on division algorithms of polynomials with real coefficient is excluded. 2.1 remains, 2.2 remains, but in 2.3, simple sums of division algorithm like question number 1, 2, that can be excluded. Not very sure with question number 3 and 4, but yes, you can like take whole exercise 2.3 to be excluded, but I would suggest you to practice them, because it is all based on class 8 and 9 topics, so that you can do it easily. In chapter 3, only cross multiplication method is removed. So in this chapter you can delete nothing except exercise 3.5, question number 3, I suppose. Question number 1 and question number 3, yes. Because in 1 it is specifically written that which of the following pair of linear equation will have unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is unique solution, find it by cross multiplication. Okay, so you need to remove it, and then it can ask you this, the same question can be asked you to verify or to find out whether the given solution will give you unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. And if it is a unique solution, you can find it by substitution, elimination, or graphical method. That can be asked. Question number 3, again in question number 3 it is already given that solve the following linear equations by substitution method and cross multiplication need not to be learned by you, but you can do it by substitution. So that is it from chapter number 3. I think in your syllabus the deleted portion, it is not mentioned, but the new curriculum given by board exam, by CBSE board, in that, no, So exercise 3.6 sorry remains in your syllabus. Simple problems on it is there. Okay. Let us move to chapter number 4. In chapter number 4 only what problems? Situational problem based on equations reducible to quadratic equations. It is said that word problems you need not to practice more, but it is good if you practice, right? Then let us move to fifth chapter. Chapter 5 is AP, and in AP only word problems relating to sum of n terms, that is exercise 5.3. Okay, nothing except 5.3. You can deduct from question number 15. All the questions can be deducted because those questions are related to those problems are based on sums of n terms. So question exercise 5.3, question number 15 to question number 20 can be deleted. Chapter number 6, there is the two theorems are there which are removed. One theorem is theorem 6.4, I suppose. Sorry, theorem 6.6 is to be removed, and Pythagoras theorem, the proof of Pythagoras theorem in a right triangle exercise, theorem 6.8 is to be removed. Rest everything remains in the syllabus, nothing is to be deleted. Chapter 7, exercise 7.3 is to be deleted completely. Area of triangle using the formula, so whole exercise 7.3 will be deleted. In 10th chapter there is no deletion. Trigonometry, again motivate the ratios which are defined from 0 to 90 and trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So you can say 8.2 and 8.3, but in syllabus page which is given to you, but in syllabus paper it is given that you have to practice trigonometric ratios from 0 to 45, so that you can see once of exercise 8.2. Let us move to circle. Circle, there is no deletion. In construction, chapter number 11, chapter number 9, again there is no deletion. The complete chapter is to be included. Chapter number 10, there is no deletion. Chapter number 11, exercise 11.1, question number 2 to question number 7 is excluded. Again, exercise 11.1, question number 2 to question number 7 is excluded. Rest everything remains unchanged. Chapter number 12, only problem sums related to central angles of 120 degree will be excluded. Rest everything remains same, so you need to learn the whole chapter. There will be nothing excluded from this, but board won't ask questions based on angles which make 120 degree at the center, like example number 3. Then a few more questions from 6.3, that's it, nothing more to be excluded from it. Then again chapter number 13, from chapter number 13 the whole exercise 13.4 is to be removed, whole exercise 13.4 to be removed, and sums pertaining to not more than two solid objects will be asked. Okay, so like one object on top, another one, and at the bottom another, that won't be asked. Only two objects which can be taken together, only those kind of sums will be asked. Then moving on to statistics, the most important portion, step deviation method is removed, it won't be asked, and cumulative frequency graph, that is exercise 14.4, is removed. From probability there is no deletion. Okay, so this is about maths. Let us talk about science in the next video.